Windows play a significant role in the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of a home. In Lexington, Kentucky, the weather can be unpredictable, with hot, humid summers and cold, snowy winters. These changing weather conditions can take a toll on your windows, leading to potential damage, reduced energy efficiency, and higher repair costs. In this article, we'll explore the impact of weather on windows in Lexington and offer practical tips on how to protect them. The hot, humid summers in Lexington. Summers in Lexington can be hot and humid, with temperatures often reaching the mid-90s. This intense heat can cause windows to expand and contract, leading to stress on the frames and seals. Over time, this can cause the seals to break down, allowing air to leak through and reducing your home's energy efficiency. Additionally, the UV rays from the sun can fade window treatments and furniture, and cause the glass to become discolored or weakened. Protection tip. To protect your windows from the hot, humid summer weather, consider investing in high-quality window films that block UV rays while allowing natural light to enter. These films can also help maintain a consistent temperature inside your home, reducing the strain on your air conditioning system. Installing blinds or curtains can also help shield your windows from direct sunlight. The cold, snowy winters in Lexington. Winter in Lexington can bring freezing temperatures, snow, and ice. This severe weather poses a different set of challenges for your windows. The cold air can cause windows to contract, and over time, this can weaken the seals. Ice can accumulate around the window frames, causing potential water damage when it melts. Additionally, cold air can infiltrate your home through gaps and cracks in your windows, leading to increased heating costs as your furnace works harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Protection tip. Proper weatherproofing is essential for protecting your windows during the winter months. Start by inspecting your windows for drafts, cracks, and gaps in the seals. Applying weather stripping or caulk to seal any gaps can prevent cold air from entering and warm air from escaping. You may also want to consider installing storm windows for an extra layer of protection. Storm windows provide an additional barrier against the cold and can help improve the insulation of your home. Rain and humidity. Lexington experiences rainfall throughout the year, and humidity levels can be particularly high during the summer and fall months. Excess moisture can cause the wood frames around windows to swell, rot, or warp. Additionally, if your windows are not properly sealed, water can seep inside, leading to water damage on your walls and floors. Over time, mold and mildew can develop, which can create health concerns and increase the need for repairs. Protection tip. To protect your windows from moisture damage, it's important to keep the area around them well maintained. Ensure that your gutters are clean and free of debris to prevent water from overflowing onto your windows. Check the seals and caulking around your windows to ensure they are intact, and replace any damaged seals. Installing a dehumidifier in areas prone to humidity can also help control moisture levels and prevent mold growth. Wind and storms Lexington is occasionally subject to high winds and severe storms, especially during the spring and fall. Strong winds can cause debris to strike your windows, potentially cracking or shattering the glass. In the event of a major storm, windows may also be subjected to pressure changes that can cause stress and lead to cracks or broken seals. Protection tip. To protect your windows from storm damage, consider installing impact-resistant windows or storm shutters. Impact-resistant windows are designed to withstand high winds and debris impact, making them a valuable investment if you live in an area prone to storms. You can also take preventive measures, such as boarding up windows or installing storm panels during a major storm. Maintaining your windows year-round. The best way to ensure your windows remain in top condition throughout the year is to perform regular maintenance. Cleaning your windows regularly, inspecting the seals, and replacing damaged weather stripping will help maintain their function and longevity. In addition, consider professional window inspection services to identify and address any issues early on. Conclusion. Weather can have a significant impact on your windows, whether it's the summer heat, winter cold, humidity, or storms. However, with proper care and maintenance, you can protect your windows from the harsh elements of Lexington's climate. By following these simple steps, you can increase the lifespan of your windows, improve energy efficiency, and maintain the comfort and safety of your home.